Hey everyone, today I'm here with this 2014 Volkswagen CC, and if you're looking for a great sedan that has tons of amazing features like leather heated seats, navigation system, and more, then you're going to love this vehicle. I'm Alana here at Woodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this black exterior color. You have your Volkswagen badge right there in the middle, along with your R-Line badging for that package. You have your projector beam headlamps with fog lamps below, and this has a 2-liter inline-4 engine. Then looking down at your wheels, those are 18-inch alloy wheels. I love the design on those, they're really unique. And then looking at your side mirrors, they have those indicator lights on the sides and they're power adjustable. All right, so looking at this front seat, we have these black leather seats. They are heated. I love the design of them. They feel really comfortable. They're kind of like bucket seats with that nice stripe cushion pattern in the middle. You also have power adjustable settings. And then looking at your steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth streaming, media controls, cluster controls, your paddle shifters, and also your cruise controls are back here. And then looking over at your media center, you have your radio settings here. You can subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose to. But you have all your presets on those pages. You can hook up your own media device, or you can even connect your phone with Bluetooth right there. This also has a navigation system, so you can put in an address and then your map will take you right to your destination really easily. And then you have all of your settings and stuff. This also has a backup camera when you're in reverse, so you can easily see behind your vehicle. You have your CD insert up top, and then below you have all of your climate controls, including your heated seat buttons right there. So you have your different settings. And then you have a 12-volt located underneath. So this is an automatic. You have your 2 cup holders here in the middle, and then lots of room inside of your center console. Then looking up, you have your SOS assist, which is subscribable. And let's take a look at the back seat. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. You also have this cup holder armrest that can fold out. Your cup holders pop out right there. And then you have your 12-volt in the back right there as well. This also can fold down, so if you need access to your trunk, then you can just fold that down. So, making your way around the side, you have your LED tail lamps back here, your 2-liter badging, and your CC badging. And you do have a powered trunk on your key fob. And looking into this trunk, it's super spacious, lots of room back there. So overall, love this vehicle. It could be a great college car, family car, whatever. You have those heated seats, that media center, and if you want to see this Volkswagen or any of our other sedans, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre megalot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in my lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.